Our world is complex. As we leap from the present, the future beholds fierce competition and ever-changing consumers. Costs will rise and the economy will be volatile. How do we sustain and grow faster? Are we prepared to constantly evolve and reinvent? Are we prepared for the future? With Marvel, the future starts today.
At Marico, change is a way of life, and we need to constantly challenge status quo so that we reinvent ourselves and raise the bar. It's important to understand that what got us here will not get us to our next level in order to fulfill our aspirations and our rallying point.
Project One aims at rapid expansion of Marico's direct footprint in urban markets in India. Talent just needs an opportunity. With Marico venturing into fresher avenues, it was a golden opportunity knocking at our door.
Project One has been one of the most exciting and challenging assignments of my career. It took a lot of in-depth analysis to firstly get hold of what are the coverage gaps we have in our metros. Once this was done, it took a lot of teamwork, effort, coordination and planning to ensure that this was a successful project on ground.
Project One successfully added 30,000 new outlets in the 6 metro cities of India with a 40% increase in direct coverage.
As a part of Marvel, this project got a lot of visibility and direction, which helped us turn this idea into a reality, something that we can really be proud of.
Marvel is a philosophy which ensures that we drive excellence every day. Excellence means looking at all the processes in our value chain and seeing how we can better them and extract more value and more savings out of it, so that this can be redeployed into initiatives, into NPDs, and thereby generating more sales. Greater amount of sales generates more revenue and more savings, thereby funding further initiatives and hence setting off a virtuous cycle which leads to a flywheel effect for the organization and hence benefiting. Of course, it will be challenging. However, we need to ensure that we go that extra mile every day and do it smartly.
Marico is the biggest buyer of copra in India. To constantly innovate, our procurement team challenges itself with the toughest questions, like is there a better way to buy? Are there more ways to optimize?
We already had a very good way of doing things, but by asking ourselves these tough questions, we have been able to ideate as a team and come out with the Copra Optimizer. Today, our buying process is more efficient and we have been able to unlock a huge potential.
Like Project One and the Copra Optimizer, we have been successfully unleashing great value in every function. Be it sales, marketing, technology or operations, we believe in creating opportunities in every possible gap. For us, compromise is not an option. We live on the mantra of delivering excellence with truly cross-functional efforts at every step.
Marvel provides a disciplined systemic approach towards the value enhancement for Marico. Multi-locational, multifunctional teams comes together in Marvel Idea Labs to generate value-generating initiatives which are defined as Marvel projects. We have been able to build a very strong program management capability which shall help us deliver our global ambitions in the long run. In addition, such initiatives have helped us reduce carbon footprint while focusing on generating hard value for Marico.
The first 2 years of the Marvel journey has been breathtaking, and it's important that we keep up this momentum and make Marvel a way of life. Marvel offers a great opportunity for doing business smartly. And remember, every drop counts because all this will get plowed behind growth in the future. And therefore, let's make Marvel a way of life in Marico.
To fulfill the needs of the consumers, we take on the Herculean task of developing a product, sourcing raw materials, manufacturing with best-in-class quality, and ensuring that our products reach every shelf in the market. In this chain, there exists an ocean of opportunities. At Marico, we need to unlock value across the board, ideate and implement, build teams, work with teams across the globe, focus on a goal, determine and persevere. Marvel is the key to unlock the opportunities of tomorrow. All we have to do is unlock value from today. At Marico, the future starts today.